Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new address in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on it and here you can just press on profile, and you can see that we are right now in the personal information section, and you can just press right next to it on the symbol, and here you will be able to find all of your addresses. Now if you don't have any and you want to add a new address, you can just press on add new address, and here you can just basically search for an address. Like, I think it's easier to just write it in the search bar. You can just select one and press on confirm address and press on OK. Now in this case there was no store found nearby if I selected this address, but that's going to be a problem basically when it comes to a lot of addresses. So in this example, unfortunately I cannot really show how to add a specific address, but you can just search your address in the search bar there, and hopefully your address will have basically one of these stores basically when it comes to this application, and you can order a pizza. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.